I'm one of those girls everybody knows. Down in love, lost and found.